Can I get a shout out to Winnie Dots? A shout out to Winnie.
James Chanel Wright look like he about to get his money, y'all. All right. All right, check this out. Shout out to Corey Lombardi for the tea. All right. It says, exclusive Chrisean and James Wright update. All right. It says, as it gets closer to Chrisean's and James Wright court date for their civil lawsuit, James and his lawyer filed a motion with the courts explaining that the defendant, Chrisean, has not filed a written response to their complaint since being served, basically ignoring the court process and their deadline. That sounds about right. That sounds like Chrisean, right? It says they also stated that they intend on giving a Chrisean deposition where she will be under oath and have to answer whatever questions they have. The amount James is suing Chrisean for exceeds $35,000. Oh yeah, so he about to get his money. He about to get his money. He might get $100K, y'all. He about to get $100K, y'all. So this is James Wright versus Chrisean Malone. Okay. Versus Chrisean Malone. And it says other issues. The party or parties request that the following additional matters be considered or determined at the case management conference. Plaintiff has not had a fair opportunity to provide notice to defendant of the notice of case reassignment in order for plaintiff to give notice. Defendant has not filed a written response to the complaint, and since she was served at a public location, which is not her physical location, plaintiff was unable to serve the notice pursuant to the May 7th, 2024 order. Yeah, they want their money. He want his money. All right. Yeah, he want his money, man. Yeah, James Chanel not playing. The party or parties expect to file the following motions before trial. Plaintiff intends to file a request to enter default against defendant for failure to timely respond to the complaint served on May 4th, 2024. All right. The following discovery will be completed by the date specified. All right. Parties, James Chanel Wright, written discovery propounded to Chrisean Malone. James Chanel Wright taking deposition of Chrisean Malone. All right. It says the following discovery issues, including issues regarding the discovery of electronically stored information, are anticipated. So they go use Chrisean talking trash in those tweets and stuff towards James Chanel Wright. Plaintiff intends to take the deposition of Chrisean Malone and propounded written discovery to Chrisean Malone in the event her answer is filed prior to default being entered. And it's an unlimited mouse. You see, the limited case means that that James Chanel Wright is gonna get $35,000 or less. No, this is an unlimited case, meaning that it exceeds $35,000. So he want his money, y'all. He want his money. He probably want 100 bands, 200 bands. His hospital fees probably more than 35,000. So she gonna have to pay up. She gonna have to pay up. She gonna have to pay up, y'all. Yeah, this is crazy. Wow. Yeah. Remember? She was talking trash to the fans, and she was talking trash about, I guess not, about people not having money, about her having money.
How much money you got? Let me guess. Not enough to talk about me. You don't got enough to talk about me. Fuck it, you talk about what you talk about. Fuck.
Uh-oh. Well, boo-boo, booski, you got to come out of pocket. Sounds like you got to come out of pocket. Like Michael Vick. Out the pocket. All right?
How much money you got? Let me guess. Not enough to talk about me. You don't got enough to talk about me. Fuck it, you talk about what you talk about. Fuck. How much money you got?
I don't know, man. James Chanel Wright not playing. He not playing with her, bruh. All right. Shout out to Corey Lombardi. He said, that's right. James, make that be pay. Shawty has to already pay James restitution. Did y'all know that? She gotta pay James Chanel Wright twice. I don't know if y'all knew that, y'all. So one of the conditions of her probation and her plea deal, right? Her doing the jail time for James, right? One of the conditions is that she has to pay this man restitution. Now, it was an undisclosed amount. We don't know how much it is. But yeah, she got to pay James Chanel Wright twice, y'all. Twice. All right? So restitution and in the civil case. All right? He said Shawty already has to pay James restitution, and then on top of that, he's suing her for over $35,000. She hit the right man that night. I can't wait to see how much he's awarded in this lawsuit. And when his lawyer depose her, I hope they ask her for all of her bank accounts, even her Cash App accounts, and subpoena them and have all payments intended for her to immediately be held and transferred to him. She called him Big Back in her tweets. Well, now he's Big Bank James, right? So look, this was in her pleading guilty to that assault with an unaliving weapon, right? Charged with him, right? Look, this was one of the conditions of the plea, all right? Make restitution to the victim per Penal Code section effective June 14, 2024. All right? So she got to pay this man. She got to pay this man. All right? Now, in California, victims of crime have a constitutional right to restitution. Restitution is meant to compensate any victim of derivative victim for any economic losses suffered as a result of the criminal conduct of the defendant. So that means emotional stress and what's it called? Medical fees, doctor fees, dental, right? And I don't think he could have performed for a while, right? Right? Yeah, he about to get his money, y'all. He about to get his money. He about to get his money. She had all that stuff to say. She was harassing that man on social media. Talking about calling them liars. Remember this? Big Back? This Big Back B ninja think he finna get a cent out of me, B? You know you just wasted your money on that dang lawyer, right? This aged horribly. This aged horribly. Hey, you know what's crazy? I usually got unstable creatures in my chat. We've been doing they ain't got nothing to argue about. We usually got people to block in the chat and kick out. They ain't got nothing to say. They ain't got nothing to say. Explain this. Unstable creatures, rock pipes. All right. Chris Stalkers, explain this. I thought this didn't happen. Y'all said he was lying. All right. Y'all said he was lying. Okay. Come on, man. Come on, man. We bring nothing but receipts over here. I'm a hater and I be lying. All right. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. All right. Great T, you a liar.
Bitch.
All right. You just be hating. You just be making up stuff. She should sue you. Chrisean should sue you for lies.
The 12th, 2015.
Yes.
And have they been changed in any way according based on what's in front of you?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time.